Have you dropped your iPhone? Is the screen broken? Are you feeling slightly broken yourself? Don't worry, I've got a cheap solution for you. This is a horrible situation. You could go out and buy a new iPhone, but that's expensive and slow and inconvenient. You could get somebody else to repair your phone for you. However, one of the main problems with that is that this is kind of like a modern day version of a diary, isn't it? It's got all your personal stuff on there, security problems, potentially. You may have private pictures on there, you know, you might have a picture of your balls or something. However, I have been onto Amazon and I've spent £16.99, which is about $20 or maybe even less, to buy a new screen. The kit comes with the tools that you need to do this as well. And while I was there, I've also bought a higher capacity battery for this. And that battery also cost £16.99. So quite a cheap fix. I'll go and give you a quick view how this works. However, this won't be specific because your phone may be a different model, and it doesn't matter. When you buy the new screen, it will have instructions specific to that model, and it will come with tools too, most probably. Check that in the description, of course. So this is do or die for me because I can't access anything on the phone. When I plug it into my laptop, I can't click the trust button, so I can't get any photos off it or anything. So either this will work and I will get everything back, or I will lose everything. This is the kit, a new touch screen, and you also get a screen protector. There's a little booklet here which gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. I have actually done this before because I'm a clumsy idiot, so I will probably be okay. But there's also a QR code to a YouTube video there, so if you want to watch a video then you can do, but I'm not going to do that because only imbeciles watch YouTube videos. Only joking. Regardless of what model iPhone you've got, you're going to have lots of little screws to deal with. So what you may find helpful is to do something like this. I've got a piece of paper there in a tray. I'm going to be putting the screws in the positions that they come out in the same way here. So the ones over there will be going over there and the ones down here will be going in there. And basically that will help you put it back together without getting things in the wrong order, because some screws are longer than others and you don't want to be damaging anything here. I've just popped off the battery connector there, so the battery is disconnected, and now there are two pull tabs to remove to allow the battery to come out. I've just removed the home button. You've got to be very careful around this part of the job, because if you damage this, which is very easy, then your home button won't work. So please do pay attention at this stage. Okay, I've just checked it. Everything appears to be working. So we do have a brand new working phone, which is a big relief for me. It's just a hassle, isn't it? It's not really the phone itself. It's the hassle and all the data and all the photos and all the rest of it. So I'm very happy that this is sorted. The screen is not the exact same quality, you know, the images, but there's very little difference really, and for me it's definitely worth just going with this version for the small amount of money that it costs. It's absolutely fine. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in another random helpful video very soon. Until then, don't comply with tyranny and love life.